Dr. Smart is a powerful tool for test and diagnosis of inverter air conditioners. With it, we can check the running status, communication, or detailed error codes of the units, and even start the outdoor unit directly. Main body. There are two connection and operation ways which will be introduced one by one. LNS connection. The first one is LNS connection, which doesn't need to dismantle the unit. It is suitable for mono wall split and light commercial units which are using S-wire as communication line. Insert the 3-core connection cable into the socket signed LNS on the top of the device. And then put the power selector to LNS position. Cut off the power to the unit before connecting Dr. Smart. There are 2 magnets on the back of the device so that you can put it conveniently on any metal surface. Open wiring cover to access the terminal. Connect the wires to the terminal according to the signs. Brown wire to L or L1, blue wire to N or L2, and black wire to S or L3. Give power to the air conditioner unit. Dr. Smart will check the communication between indoor and outdoor units automatically as soon as it gets power. It will give results in about 15 seconds. We can press OK to check running parameters of indoor or outdoor unit if communication is normal. It will tell you indoor or outdoor unit communication failure if communication has a problem. Let's check the indoor parameters. You can see working mode, target frequency, room temperature, evaporator temperature, fan speed, and set point. Also, you can check outdoor parameters. You will see working mode, running frequency, power voltage, ambient temperature, condenser temperature, compressor discharge temperature, outdoor fan speed, and opening steps of electrical expansion valve if the unit has one. All data are live. Let's get back to the main menu. We can get access to communication analysis function by communication detect online check. Like previous clip, we can press OK to check running parameters of indoor or outdoor unit if communication is normal. This promote is about self-check, which is a calibration of communication analysis function. Meanwhile, we can see the access of parameter checking function is in communication simulation of main menu. Now, let's see the important function, which is Indoor Unit Simulator. The device will work as an indoor unit to start the outdoor unit directly with the function. Go into Communication Simulation of main menu and choose Indoor Simulator. There is a promote that we must disconnect the S-wire from the real indoor unit. Release the screw fixing the S-wire and pull it out of the terminal carefully. Set working mode to cool, heat, or dry as you want. Do not set fan mode because the compressor will never start in this mode. Set suitable frequency according to the table, which you can also find in User Manual. You'll also find that compressors start to run as well as outdoor fan after the frequency is set. Set fan speed to high speed or other. You can also set indoor temperature and evaporator temperature as you want. Some certain values will affect the work of compressor. Besides, you can check outdoor running parameters to see if everything is normal during this function. Let's see what will happen if set evaporator temperature to 0. The compressor and outdoor fan stop because protection program of low evaporator temperature is active. Now check the outdoor parameter again, and we will find the frequency and fan speed are 0, which means the compressor stopped. Dr. Smart will display error code and normal page alternately when there is something wrong with the unit. You can check the error code list, which is also in the user manual. When finished using Dr. Smart, cut off the power to air conditioner unit first. When disconnected, use a sharp object like a small screwdriver to push the snap inside the connector and pull out the connector with a pair of pliers at the same time. 5-volt connection. 5-volt connection is suitable for non-S communication outdoor units like multi-zone units and light commercial units using S1S2 or PQE as communication wires. Connect 2 wires together. Insert one end of connection wire into the 4-core socket signed 5-volt on the top of Dr. Smart. Put the power selection switch to 5-volt. Cut off the power to the unit before connection. We have to dismantle the outdoor unit to find the 5-volt test port because it locates on the main PCB of the unit. Release the screws on both sides of top cover to remove it. Release the screws fixing the control box and turn it over. Remove the metal cover of control box. We can see the 4-core empty socket on the main PCB. It is the test port supposed to be connected with Dr. Smart. Connect the other end of the wire to this port. That's it. Give power to the AC unit. Go into Data Inquiry-Data Inquiry from Main Menu to check the running parameters of the unit. Here we can also read all kinds of parameters such as running frequency, temperature data from each sensor, outdoor fan speed, opening steps of electrical expansion valve, and so on. Press up or down button to check previous or next page. Go into Fault Inquiry to check latest error code. Go into Parameter Setting of Main Menu to set running parameter to start the outdoor unit directly. After setting suitable frequency, you'll find compressor and outdoor fan will start to run. Also, you can set different outdoor fan speed and you will see the change. If you keep it to 0, it will be controlled by outdoor program automatically. The outdoor unit will stop if set frequency value back to 0. You can check if the 4-way valve is normal or not by setting it. 0 means it's controlled by outdoor program, 1 means it is engaged, 2 means it is not engaged. You will hear the noise of change of direction during you set different numbers. Like LNS connection, Dr. Smart will display error code and normal page alternately when there is something wrong with the unit.